Welcome to the first of 4 videos we've created going into online physiotherapy consultations. First up is us going through what is an online physio consultation. It's also known as telehealth or telemedicine. In a nutshell, it is an appointment with a physiotherapist without you needing to come in physically to the clinic or practice. You're likely coming up with a number of different questions from this, as it's not a traditional way that a physio typically will see a patient. So some of these questions we're hoping to cover with these 4 videos that we've created. However, if you have questions that we haven't answered, then feel free to contact us and we'll try and go through your questions and answer them to our best ability. My name's Claire, I'm a physiotherapist from Physiofit Health. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep updated with our videos. We're creating different videos with explainer exercises, so you can use it as a little bit of a resource. So online physio consultations have actually been around for a while, but through the COVID pandemic and the restrictions on ability really to move about, it significantly increased the number of online consultations available at different practices. In my opinion, the online physio consultations are here to stay, as they can be really quite useful, very beneficial, and yeah, a good way forwards. I don't think it's going to replace the physical face-to-face consultation completely, but they can actually work both like hand in hand. They can work quite well together. In our next video, we'll go through who online physio consultations is for, taking you through an example. And our other videos will go through how to prepare for a consultation and what to expect from an online consultation. As any treatment that we offer is evidence-based, there is research out there and it does strongly suggest that online consultations work really well for people. It can help increase your understanding and control over the treatment. And it really puts the treatment more into your own hands. It's what you can do on a day-to-day basis rather than relying on somebody and coming in for your appointments. Having said that, I do think there are instances where it is beneficial for somebody to come in for a face-to-face appointment. If we find that's the case for you, that's what we'll just have a bit of a chat about and what's the best way for you, whether that's online or whether that's to come in for a face-to-face appointment. Some people think that we need to see you face to face to get our hands on just to see what's actually going on with you. But we can get an extremely good idea as to what's going on just through the chat and discussion about the history of your issue that you've got. Once we get an understanding through that chat about what's going on, it just helps direct the treatment and the advice given and exercises suggested. Our next video will be about who online physiotherapy is for. I'll go through an example. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep updated with when we publish our videos, and I'll see you soon.